Hello everyone, I am Gyan and welcome back to English Magus. In today's lesson, we are diving into analytical paragraph writing for CBSE Class 10. It's one of the most scoring sections in English, and I'll guide you step by step with examples, tips, and practice exercises. So, let's get started. An analytical paragraph is a concise write-up where you analyze given data in the form of a chart, graph, map, or cues. Your focus is to explain trends, comparisons, or patterns clearly and systematically. Remember, it's all about presenting facts objectively without opinions. Let's learn the format of analytical paragraph. The format is simple and has three parts. First is introduction, briefly introduce the topic and the kind of data provided. Second is body, analyze the data in detail. Highlight key trends, similarities, differences, or exceptions. Third is conclusion, summarize the overall insights. The following tips should be kept in mind. Use linking words like however, therefore, on the other hand. Stick to formal language. And avoid personal opinions. Let's learn more by analyzing this bar graph showing favorite sports of students in a school. First we will write the introduction. It should look like this. The bar graph represents the number of students preferring cricket, football, badminton, and basketball in XYZ school. Next we will write the body of the analytical paragraph. It should look like this. Cricket is the most popular sport with 50 students, followed by football with 40. Basketball and badminton lag behind at 25 and 15 students respectively. Interestingly, cricket's popularity is almost double that of badminton. And finally the conclusion. It should resemble this. Overall, cricket dominates as the favorite sport, with basketball and badminton being less preferred. Simple, isn't it? Now it's your turn. Here's a practice question. The bar graph below shows the sales of different car brands in a city over 1 month. Analyze the data and write an analytical paragraph in 100 to 120 words. Pause the video and try writing your answer. You should take maximum 10 minutes to complete the task. As you resume the video, you will find its solution. Here's another practice question. The pie chart below shows the distribution of time spent by students on different activities in a day. Analyze the data and write an analytical paragraph in 100 to 120 words. Pause the video and try writing your answer. You should take maximum 10 minutes to write the task. As you resume the video, you will find its solution. Here's another practice question. The line graph below shows the population growth of a city from 2010 to 2020. Analyze the data and write an analytical paragraph in 100 to 120 words. Pause the video and try writing your answer. You should take maximum 10 minutes to complete the task. As you resume the video, you will find its solution. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to practice and share your paragraphs in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more lessons like this. See you next time.